Welcome to the Celtic Llama. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to do the wave stitch pattern. So to start off for your project, you want to do multiples of 16. So I'm just going to go ahead and do a quick 16 chains. And for this tutorial, you'll need to know how to do a single crochet, a half double crochet, a double crochet, and a triple crochet. And if you need help with any of those stitches, you can look down in the description below to find links on how to do those. So we have our 16 stitches, and we will want to go ahead and chain 1, and in the second chain from the hook we will do 1 single crochet and then another single crochet in the next stitch, a half double crochet, another half double crochet, a double crochet, 2 double crochets, and then 4 treble crochets. So it'll be a 2, 2, 2, 4 method. So 2 single crochets, 2 half doubles, 2 doubles, and then 4 trebles. And it's kind of like a step ladder pattern. So once we build up and we do our last treble crochet, we'll start doing step downs. So now we'll do 2 double crochets, 1, 2, 2 half double crochets, 1, 2, and then 2 single crochets. Nope. I realized I was doing that stitch wrong. Okay, so 2 single crochets, so 1, 2, and that is how you do row 1. So you see how we have this nice hill in the middle. So now the next row, row 2, we will even it out. So turn your work and you will want to chain 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And we will do 2 treble crochets. So 1 and 2, 2 double crochets, 1, 2, 2 half double crochets, 1, 2, and then 4 single crochets. And then we repeat, getting bigger again. So 2 half double crochets, 2 double crochets, and then 2 treble crochets. And this you just end up repeating for as large or as long as you want your project to be. So you can kind of see how it evened that out, but you can't really see the pattern all too well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and do a quick row 3. So it would just be a chain 1 and then single crochet. And it's the same method as row 1. So 2 single crochets, 2 half double crochets, 2 double crochets, and 4 treble crochets. And then we'll do the opposite on the way back down. So here we are with our 2 single crochets. And there you can kind of see how it starts forming its pattern. Now if you want, you can change between colors for each row. It's up to you. If you found this video helpful, please go ahead and give it a like, and I hope you have a happy crochet day.